Alright, I'm recording. Just go shut the door on it.
We're here from sea to shining sea.
And the tide's coming in.
We are at the Pacific Ocean. More specifically, Seaside Beach, Oregon. Look at all the happy people.
I gotta watch it. We'll go around the mud puddles. Look at the birdies. Hello, Mr. Seagull. Hello. Hello. Yep, the tide's coming in. Down there, it's really coming in. He's photogenic. Everything I'm finding so far is in sand dollars. Pieces, chunks of them. Looks like it's gonna be a crappy day today. Boardwalk with a few hotels on this side. More on the other side of the back side of the road there. It's away from the ocean. He's having fun wading in the little water puddles. Was the water cold? Was the water cold? Yeah, it looks like it's gonna be a crappy day. What the world is that? Let's see if we can read it from the other angle.
Somebody ruined this perfect beachfront.
I wonder who the Mad No Matter is.
What an a-hole for doing this.
I'm gonna shut this so I can finish recording a little. Don't want another camcorder ruined. Ew. There's pieces of sand dollars, not really shells like there is on the East Coast when you go out in the mornings. I'm not moving it too fast because I've got the door shut on it, so I can't really see. Somebody with his metal detector. It's a little chilly this morning. And this is how far it was up to last night before it went back out.
Nah, it wasn't up there last night. Probably.
Well, when it resurged. It's still coming back in there, further than what it was. There's glass on the beach and crap, so you gotta watch where you're walking.
Look what this is! Look what this is!
And you're gonna pick it up. Alright, well, quit moving it.
Hello, Annie.
Poor guy.
I swam the Pacific Ocean, and all it cost me was an arm and a leg.
I don't want to go too fast. We'll complain. I know I complain. Uh-oh, there's more arms and legs. I'm gonna step on the burial ground here. Alright, I'm gonna shut this door. I definitely don't want it. Sand getting in it. I'm gonna walk over a little bit from you because I don't want to fall in the hole.
There's land everywhere. Prairie dog holes.
Yeah.
Wait a
They're
minute.
beach dogs instead of prairie. I'm trying to get away from your camera. I'll flick sand up on it. Looks like a glove. Somebody lost their gloves out here. Who only wears one glove?
Michael Jackson.
Yeah, but I don't think he lost his glove.
We found Michael Jackson's mother's glove.
That's where it's been all these years. Gets up around swings. Volleyball nets. What's he eating? He's after something. He was digging and now he's eating. You're a big boy. I'm not gonna take your food, don't worry. I don't eat bird food.
Thank you.
You're a pretty boy.
Raining.
Yep.
He has something in his mouth. Look at it.
Mm-hmm. Oh, he was digging right there. Yes, it is. It's raining. What would... I mean, come on. This is our everyday now. Over there's the ebb tide where we stayed and someone's clothing. They left last night, I guess.
He just needed it after they were done.
I guess. Hey, there's a dirty sock.
Over there's gonna be some dirty underwear.
Surprised me, we've already found a glove, a sock, a shirt. There's all kind of things. Glass, there's feathers, there's... Hey, there's another sock. People just leave all their belongings.
Tell you what, this beach isn't very packed.
Nah.
I mean, I like that, but it's kind of dirty.
Yeah.
I mean,
Not as clean as...
Max did it. Or
Yeah, or Virginia Beach was even cleaner than this.
Virginia Beach is 20,000 times crowded.
Yeah. People had fires that are still smoldering this morning. Hey, there's a Visa card or something. For a key card maybe for a hotel.
I'll be looking everywhere for that. I can't get in my room.
Yeah. My room is over here. And there's an aquarium straight ahead.
Which, if it's open, will be the next thing we do.
I'll get these key cards turned in before 10 or 11, whatever time checkout is.
Because we can feed the seals. And you know how we are about feeding things. That's all we want to do. If we can't eat ourselves, we want to feed somebody. That's how we are. We're good humanitarians.
I could go eat for free until 10. building.
Red light in this truck.
I can get one green and a red one. The red one caught my eye first.
I saw that.
Look at the seagull on the...
Did you get your $1 off coupon though?
It's in my bag. So I can see what time it is. I don't know if it's open yet or not. I think sand has to be one of the hardest things to walk in. Oh yeah, they got swing sets down through there. I said sand has to be one of the hardest things to walk in. Yeah, that's what I said. But the red one caught my eye. I want to get some sand. Let me stop this real quick.